Okay, let's show the tapping. All four of these have drilling and tapping modes. We've got one set up for tapping right now. Go ahead, Joe. Once it makes the top switch, the spindle will reverse. Joe's bringing it back by hand now. Normally the hole would just guide it out. And there's the switch for drill or tap mode. All right, go ahead, show the drilling cycles on the other ones.
Fire them all up?
Yep. Engage all the feeds. These come down, and when it hits that plunger, these reverse. This one's set up on a little longer stroke. Right, turn that one off, Joe. All right, we have power spindle speed adjustment. And central E-stops for the whole machine, or individual stops. You show the table moving. Okay. It's good. Coolant pump works.